Now, our Gulf flow is starting to come together. The good news is we're still not anticipating this to blow up into a named storm. Now, I don't really want you to get hung up on this thing getting named or not. The Hurricane Center is giving it a 20% chance, but regardless, whether it has a name or not, it's still low pressure. It is going to bring impacts to our area in the form of some wind and rain. But in general, the impacts, I think, are going to be manageable for our area. So here's how it's going to play out. This is later today. Lots of rain down in the Gulf. Ahead of this, clouds are building in. The rain really won't start to move in until early tomorrow, and it's going to be a light, maybe sprinkle here and there during the morning hours around this time tomorrow. As we go through your Wednesday, though, notice a light to moderate rain spreading up over the area. The heaviest of the rain, I still think, is going to be right near our coast and in the Gulf of Mexico. The low pressure will pass very close by and then move up towards the Florida Panhandle, taking all the rain with it by Wednesday night. So this will be mainly during the daytime going into tomorrow. Here's what to expect, parish by parish breakdown. Let's start on the North Shore. This is where you're going to see minimal impacts. I think, and honestly, the rain totals are not looking all that impressive anywhere north of our lake. From Tangi, Washington to St. Tammany. This is during the day Wednesday. Rain, maybe half an inch up to an inch would be on the high side. Winds 10 to 20 mile per hour with maybe an occasional higher gust. That's the North Shore. Here in the metro area, maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain. That's manageable if it's spread out all day. 15 to 25 mile per hour sustained winds, gusting 30 to 40, especially right here on the lakefront. It'll be a north and easterly wind, so waves could be crashing here on the South Shore, especially in the Wednesday afternoon and evening. As we go out to the river parishes, not a whole lot of rain either. Half an inch to an inch of rain, 15 to 20 mile per hour winds, nothing too dramatic for our river parishes. But bayou parishes, that's where you start to pick up a little bit more rain, 1 to 3 inches, especially closer to the coast. Minor coastal flooding for those coastal areas and gust over 40 miles an hour, especially Port Fourchon and into Grand Isle. Some models even have gusting over 50 down near Grand Isle. Same thing for the mouth of the river here and eastern St. Bernard, 2 to 4 inches of rain, gusting over 40 miles an hour Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. Minor coastal flooding as well, especially for those east-facing shorelines. That also includes up into Hancock County, the east-facing shorelines, some water getting pushed in there. Rain totals for South Mississippi don't look all that impressive either, maybe up to an inch in a few locations. So overall, we're not expecting major impacts for the North Shore. Here in the metro, no major impacts either, but higher rain totals, especially the closer you get to the Gulf of Mexico. So our 7-day forecast, you can see we go from 82 today with clouds building in, showers on and off tomorrow. I don't even really think we're going to see thunderstorms with this. It will be a bit windy. Now, with that low being so close, we need to watch it because if that low gets any closer to us, that could bump up our rain totals as well. So we'll watch that tomorrow. 79 on Thursday, 87 Friday. Cold front moves in late Friday, may bring a shower or a storm, and then the weekend's looking fantastic. Your Saturday and Sunday are back in the 70s with sunshine, so the weekend as a whole is looking really, really nice. The marine forecast, a gale watch has been issued for the lakes and the water. This will more than likely be upgraded to a gale warning, and that's thanks to those stronger winds tomorrow. Sustained 25 to 35 knots. Gusts could easily top 40 knots at times, especially in the Gulf of Mexico, so an absolute no-go to be out on the water tomorrow. That chop will be quite high as well, and then we'll start to see some improvements Thursday, but still saying a bit gusty.